Hey everyone, Tomer here and welcome to the second module of Outsource Yourself. In this first video, we're going to talk about mini hiring and what does it essentially stand for. Mini hiring is hiring someone for a small and specific task. That means that you don't need to hire them full time, you don't need to commit for the salary each month, but you still get the benefits of them doing something for you, some simple task. And we'll discuss what this kind of task is and how do we use it. So first of all, this is really good in order to get used to outsourcing. You get used to people doing stuff for you. So that's the mini hiring concept. You just hire them for a small and specific task. In this video, we will also look how we personally use this method also for the long term. But first of all, let's look at the main marketplace for the mini hiring that we know of, and this is the best one that we experienced with. It's called Fiverr.com with double R. This website gives other people the opportunity to show you what they can do for $5. And why is it so effective? Because you don't need to hire someone, as I said before, for $200 a month to be your full-time employee. You can hire someone for a specific task. So what can we find in Fiverr? You can find a lot of things over there. You can find people pranking on your behalf over the phone. They will call your friend and actually start saying that they're someone else and start laughing at him. They can do like lift a sign with your name and take a picture of it, or sing a song to your friends for their birthday. There are so many things that you can find on Fiverr. Even if you want to study languages, you can just go there on Fiverr.com and get yourself private tutors for like the language. Half an hour, 1 hour course, and they will teach you over Skype or something like that. There are so many things going on in Fiverr, but these are the things that we usually use in our business. So usually it falls on the website promotion category. So whether it be graphic design, video creation, article writing, SEO link building services, or voiceover. Now this video is not being voiced over professionally by someone in Fiverr. I'm doing the voiceover myself because I know a lot about this subject, so I don't really want to hire someone to do this kind of task. But you definitely can voice over some of your video sales letters or other kind of stuff if you really think that that other person that you found on Fiverr have a really good voice and you can really be the character of the person that you want to convey in your video sales letter. Now let's go for a small demonstration how we use mini hiring in our business. So first of all, let's have a look at Fiverr.com. Now when you first come to the website, it's always changing. They always do split test. So right now they are offering a lot of business services, and it's always have to do something with Christmas because we're coming to Christmas right now. But let's have a look at the online marketing. Let's say that you want article and PR submission. You want to just submit some article to a press release site. So you go to this section and you can start finding gigs here, and you will see that this guy will write an original web content for you. And again, it's only for $5. And you can see the country he's from, so you can see if he's native English speaker or maybe not. So this person will add your press release to a press release website. He will not write it for you. He is from the United Kingdom, so I would trust his English more than I would trust this guy. No offense to Indonesia, it's just that it's not their native tongue. But this is the kind of things I'm looking for in a gig. I'm looking for someone who have good English to write the article for me. Now, how do we use it in our business? Currently, part of my business is not only about teaching people how to really succeed over the internet. I'm also helping companies promote their website. So we got assigned to this company. There is a school that we promote, and that is a school that teach Thai in specific. So what they want us to do, they want us to increase their SEO ranking. I assigned one of my employees to be their project manager. She is my full-time employee. You have to know that I pay her more than $200 a month to do this. Now, she do other tasks. She not only do this project with the language school, but this is one of her projects. This is one of her gigs, what she is doing for me. She actually don't do all of the SEO herself. She don't go along and start writing articles and submitting them to the website. What she is doing is essentially going on Fiverr. She is someone who is working for me, and then she hire other people. So she go on Fiverr and then she tell me which gigs to order. So for example, now I can see that this gig from Storm Chaser was updated. So it means that I guess he fulfilled what I ordered. So let's see what she had me order. Okay. So I guess she needed some education blog posts, and she had this guy doing it for us. Now, you need to know that this kind of stuff, I copy-pasted it from her email, and this guy delivered his stuff. So he completed the order and he gave me the links. And I sent back this one to my employee for her to review it. I don't really want to do all of this grind work. So I sent it to her and she reviewed it. And if there is something wrong, she will tell me to revise it. If not, I'm just gonna give them a thumbs up, like 5 stars. Now let's see what other gigs she got me ordering for this particular client. Alright, so I see that we needed some backlinks for that client. So she had me order these backlinks for the client, and again, this is the stuff that she told me to write to them. And of course I'll just say thanks. And then they gave me those backlinks, and again, in the end, it all comes down to a report, and then she can give this report and combine all of the reports back to our client. And this is how we use her, because she's the one who is giving me which gigs to order. So we order the gigs, and then she combined all of the links so the client can see that we actually did the work. And in the end, she gave us a monthly report, and she tell us which kind of stuff the client got and what kind of links were syndicated and whatnot. So this is how I use Fiverr in my business, and I've used it like tons of time. As you can see, there are so many orders all the time. We order stuff in Fiverr. It's mini hiring. We do that because we don't want to spend all of our employee time on doing those stuff. This stuff are mostly done manually, and it's a manual labor. And maybe she would have me order some article, and I don't want her to write article because she's from the Philippines, and I think that it's better that some American guy will write articles for me, or maybe someone from the UK, someone that have really native English and can really talk in a way that the people that read the article will feel, wow, okay, this is a really high quality article, and it's good for the SEO, it's good for people to really recognize the article as unique. And that's why I have my employee ordering stuff from other people, and this is how I use mini hiring. Now you can use it in another way, like there are so many ways. Let's say you need some copywriting, you're not good at copywriting and you need to have some headline done or something like that. You could hire someone that could write for you a compelling copy. So that means essentially like promotion for a website, and you can tell them to revise it. Like this one is from the States, which means I guess his copy will be much more higher quality than someone else. Like, okay, I see that many people here are from the States. That really shows that, as I was saying before, maybe a native speaking person will be much better in writing compelling copy for people than someone who is not from country that speaks English natively. So this is how we use Fiverr and mini hiring in our business. You can start using it in yours, and you can start ordering small gigs so you don't have to hire people full time. I hope you enjoyed this video and you studied a lot. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.